I'm Jason Van Acker, and I put together and organized a class with Applied Tactical and Defense. Putting it together a class with Applied Tactical and Defense was super easy. We had 8 of us in our group. It's amazing how fast you can get 8 people together that want to do this. Everything went super smooth. Just got a hold of Kurt, came up with a day. He told me what we needed as far as location goes, and we got everything together within a week. Yeah, coming into the class, there was a couple of us, myself included, that were a little apprehensive about the whole thing. I have extensive knowledge with rifles and shotguns, but not so much with handguns. So coming into it was a little nerve-wracking at first, wondering, how my lack of knowledge is going to affect this. And everything was so laid back and so smooth, and within minutes I was comfortable and felt free to ask questions and not be judged for not knowing the answers already. We came out to our place. We had just a set up in a garage. The atmosphere is extremely laid back. We were free to ask questions whenever we needed. We could take breaks if we needed. No pressure. Nobody was made to feel like they had a little bit less knowledge in guns or anything like that. They were made to feel stupid or lesser because they don't know. So it made everything really easy, real comfortable. We had 2 ladies in our class with not as much experience around firearms, and they both came away loving the class. We had 2 military vets that obviously have all kinds of knowledge, and they had questions even, and Kurt was able to take care of those. His knowledge base was extremely wide. Any questions we had, he could answer for us. Yeah, it was very informative. Learned a ton. My comfort level with handguns just from that class alone skyrocketed. I would highly recommend Applied Tactical.